In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a fissure cube. Okay, just to make a few notes before we get started. The fissure cube is a shapeshifter. That means that when you mix it up, it won't exactly look like a cube, like a 3x3 or any other cube by and something, whatever. Okay, I recommend that you know how to solve a 3x3 before you get started with the fissure cube, because it's practically the same as a 3x3, just different shapes and the way it's made. But so if you know how to solve a 3x3, then good for you. This will be easy, and yeah, you just do the 3x3 steps you do on a 3x3, and then there you go. Okay, so first we're gonna shuffle our cube up. Make sure the edges align, or else you might try too hard and break the cube. Okay. First step is to to make the cross. I'm gonna start with the white cross, and then yeah, we'll move on from there. Okay, we're gonna need to match up our edge pieces, but make sure they're in the right position. For example, if it's like this, you're gonna move this cross to another space and turn the centerpiece so that it's in the right position. Or if you twisted it the wrong way, like this, and you have opposite colors, just it the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, perfect. That's one edge solved for the cross. Then time for the next one. Okay, I might do it here up on the first layer and then turn it in. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Oops, wrong one. Take it to the top layer, turn it to a side, flip it. Okay, look, it's matching, and onto the white side. Okay, the last one. Here it is. Okay. Not where it should be. There, that's better. Here we have the cross. Okay, the white cross or yellow cross. I did the white. Okay, now time to get started on the first layer and to finish this white face. So we're gonna need to learn two algorithms which you would use for the 3x3, the right algorithm and the left. So I'll start with the right. R, U, R prime, U prime. That means right side up, top side to the left, right side down, and top side to the right. Okay, and then the left is L prime, U prime, L and U. L prime is left side up, U prime is top layer to the right, as we said in the right algorithm. L is left side down, and then U is top side to the left. Now let's just do our right algorithm and put the corners with the white piece into where it should go. We're gonna need to look for pieces with the whites, not the pieces of the cross, but this one would count. And then move them into where they should go. So I have this one. Gonna need to drag it above the two orange edges so we can get it where it should go. Now we're gonna do our right algorithm and check if it's where it should be after each one. Oh look, first try. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna take this red one, put it above the two red edge pieces, and do my right algorithm to get it in. Yep, that's actually my left, but doesn't matter. Okay, this one, above where it should go. Right algorithm, no. No, nearly, no. And yep. And last but not least, the green edge. Okay, now. Okay, first try as well. Now we have our first layer solved and our white face solved. Okay, time to do the second layer where we put the edges in. So we're gonna need to do the same as a 3x3. We're gonna, whatever side it goes in, could go in any size, so you do whichever one you want, but make sure it's above a, for example, I'm gonna put this red piece in over here. Make sure it's above a edge piece which has a red on it, because that's not what a 3x3 has, but yes, this is not a 3x3. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. If I put it on the right one, I'm gonna turn it to the right again, and then I'm gonna do my left algorithm. So you start with the algorithm, the opposite one you turn the side to, the edge. So you're gonna do left, and then turn it to the left, no, to the right, because you turn this to the right, and do your right algorithm. Okay. Then, if I put it above my left one, as you can see here, turn it to the left, start with your right, turn your cube to the right, no, to the left, and do your left algorithm. Okay, do that for the same, for the rest. Oopsies. I don't know what I did. Okay. Screen, I'm on my left, turn it to the left, right, turn, left. Okay. Now, time for the yellow cross. Oh yes, I forgot. On the yellow cross, there are the same cases as a 3x3, but one extra. The extra is where you have a piece like this. The simplest thing to do is take an edge piece out and just do it again. That's what I like to do. And if it doesn't, then take another one. And take it out, and put it back in the opposite way you took it out. Okay, there we have one of the possibilities, a 9 o'clock. The last one we just did was the T, I would like to call it, or the unfinished cross. If you have a 9 o'clock, 12 and 9 o'clock, you're going to do an F, the right algorithm twice, and you get your cross. Another possibility is to get a straight line. You're going to do an F and do the algorithm once to get this cross, the cross. Okay, and then the last is where if you can't get to it though. Okay, if you have a dot in the middle. If you do, then you're just gonna do the algorithm until you get a line. So for example, you have a dot and you do this, the algorithm, and then after you've done an algorithm, you're gonna stop, check if it's a line, and there you go, and then you do what you do if you have a line. Okay, now the last step is, okay, first let me solve my cross. The last step, no, second to last, third to last, is to solve the corners. There are two possibilities. First one is where you have, wait, let me get to it. Okay, first is where you have to look at your corners to see which corner matches. Okay, there I'm here. Okay, so take one corner, match it to the piece it is. So the green over above the green edge piece. And you look around, see if you have another one. Okay, if you have another one that's on the same side, I have red and green on the same side. You're going to put it to your left, do the right algorithm 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then do your left algorithm 3 times after you turn the cube to the left. There you go. If you can move one corner to where it should be, all of them should be solved. Okay, another possibility is if you have 2 solved diagonally. Okay, wait. If you have 2 solved diagonally, like this, for example, I have one in blue and one in green. You're going to hold one of the colors on the top left corner and do the right algorithm 3 times. 1, 3, and then the left algorithm 3 times after you turn your cube to your left. And then you have this. Put it where you have 2 on the same side. Put it to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then turn the cube to your left and do the left algorithm for 3 as well. Okay, that took a while, but we got it finished. Okay, now is the edge pieces. When you get those solved before we do where we get the corners in the right place. So without moving the corners, keep them in the right place. Look at around, and if you have one edge piece solved, make sure it's facing towards you. Okay, and then you're gonna, if you don't have any solved, for example, this was over here and this was here, that wouldn't be solved. Just do this until you get one solved, and then do the steps that I'm about to do. So do the right algorithm first 5 times. No, once. Then do the left algorithm once without turning anything, just doing the left algorithm. Okay, and then do the right algorithm 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There is the case where you won't have any solved except from the one you which was facing you. So you do that again. But here, if you get lucky, you'll have all of them solved after just once. Most of the time you have to do it twice. Okay, the last step is to solve the corners and put them the way they should be. You're going to turn your cube so you have your face side up. And do the right algorithm, only the right, above the corner that's unsolved. So here, until it is solved. Yep, just like that. Then don't turn anything, don't twist the cube or something like that. Just turn the bottom layer to the next one, not to the next solved one, to the next unsolved one. Then do the algorithm until it is in place. For beginners, you might want to just check every time you do your algorithm. And there you go, you have solved your Fisher cube. I hope you have fun learning about the Fisher cube. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Make sure you check out my other videos on other cubes, like the windmill or 2x2. Till next time, guys. See ya.